Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI. If you like doing your own acrylic press-on nails at home, you're gonna need a really good glue, and I recommend this one. This is the BTArtbox Adhesive Super Bond glue for fake nails. It comes in an 8-pack, which is great. I've only gone through maybe 3 of them, so I still have a few remaining, and I really love the quality of this glue. So when I do the press-on acrylic nails at home, I have had them last for almost 2 weeks. Now to me, that is just incredible. So I'm super happy with the results of this. Once you place the glue inside of the nail, I also like to put just a drop on my nail itself. Press on, they are very fast drying. I would say, I don't know, within 10 seconds, you're good to go. And if you have any mishaps or one of the nails comes off, this glue is great to just replace that nail and put it back on. You can throw them in your purse because they're really small. Or if you're into doing nail art, these would even be great for that as well. So this is a really high quality glue. I would definitely recommend it to you to add to your kit if you love doing your nails at home. And that is my point of view.